Now, so without wasting much time, let's move ahead. So coming to the overall process in this way, I have very well tried to describe in this a typical flow chart. So it all starts with registration, as you know, that we have uploaded videos also related to how to apply the each and every step, right? So what I would like to add here. So this registration is then what will happen? Initial shortlisting. This will be done by Tech Mahindra itself. So what they will do that according to the percentage you have given here, although they have shared that there is a mark of 60 percentage throughout academics in 10th, 12th, BTech, and if your BTech is not yet completed, BTech or MCA. So if you are in your still in your second semester of MCA or sixth semester of BTech, so aggregate percent, the every average percentage must be 75. Sorry, 60. So if it's not that, then those students will be excluded from the further rounds. Also, it also possible that they do not consider all the 60 percentile students. It might be possible that they will consider only those who are 65 or 70, but they do according to how many registration they are getting. Suppose they get, suppose although it is not possible, suppose they get 1 lakh and they have to hire only 2 3,000, then obviously they will exclude those who are till 65 or 70 percentage. Why do will take those much students ahead, right? So this was just a short example what could be this initial shortlisting actually be. Then coming to this assessment, so in the upcoming slides I'll be telling you about the how they will be assessment, how the assessment test will be, and for the pattern, the what the actual pattern will be, I've uploaded in video previous to this. You can check that pattern video, but what will be the actual assessment I'll be covering in this video in upcoming slides. After the assessment you will have a technical interview before training starts. So you will have an interview, they will check that yes, whatever you have done in your assessment, or are you actually qualified for all those things, are you actually known to those things. It won't be any difficult one, right? It would be an easier one, so don't worry about it. We will share material for those also when the day will arrive. So technical interview, after then training, how the training would be, the training period, and is it only training or is it only internship and no job opportunity, or job opportunity is also there. I'll be covering in this video. Then after completing training, again you'll be having a technical interview. This interview is for the reason that, okay, you have done your training, now let's check that have you learned anything from your training or not, right? So this interview will be with that purpose. And last will be reports analysis. Some reports will be generated from by your name, that this and this student has been doing very well, and has also passed his technical interview after training, or he is not doing well, means whatever it would be according to your performance. And then you will get opportunity for permanent employee. Okay. So as I told you that I'll be covering what would be the assessment. So assessment will contain aptitude test. The pattern means whatever the duration will be, what are the things will be covered, important topics I have covered in the video, please check it. Then communication and personality assessment test. So here it would be like there are different kinds of communication and personality assessment tests which are conducted. Like it could be an essay test also, right? Or it could be a psychometric test also, where questions are several situations are given and you are asked that what you will do in such and such situation. Like in hexaware, those students who gave hexaware interview or hexaware rounds, they got to know about this personality test, hexaware, these psychometric test. Or those students who gave Capgemini test, they also know about this. Okay, so this is something like that, essay, or there could be psychometric test, situational questions. And then there would be a technical basic coding round. This one is not very sure that there will be a coding round, but whatever information we have got, right? So according to that information, there will be a technical round related to coding, but that would be very very basic, right? So there you can expect very basic questions, means super easy, like even, odd, prime number, factorial, Fibonacci, print alternate numbers, print even number in given range, print prime number in given range, like. So we are not very clear on this, but from many of our sources we have got to know about this. So what you can do, you can practice some of the basic of these, and we will cover it. Let the day comes, firstly assessment will be there, the test. When those day will come, we will be uploading videos for this purpose also. Okay, then now I will tell you about the training. What would be the training actually be? So what will happen? That candidate will be guided through 1 month of self-learning prior to 8 months of internship. So what I understand with it, what every other companies are also doing, that you can see here onboarding date is 1st January 2021. It means you're that 6 months or 7 months of that actual training or internship, which will happen on their place, will start from January. I don't think it would be exact 1st January, but it would be in month of January. But before that, 1 month they will share you some online material to you. What I believe that it would be like this only, and you have to complete that, and you have to show that okay you have done this. So I think this what they mean with 1 month of self learning prior to 8 months or 6 months, whatever it would be, of internship. Then what would happen, you have done 1 month of self learning, then this internship for 6 months or 7 months 8 months till June or July August in 21 next year. And then candidates performances will be carefully monitored. What here I told you, reports and analysis, right? So candidates' performance will be carefully monitored. Interview will be again conducted after your this training and internship. Okay, to identify high potential candidate, and confirmation of offer will be communicated at the end of 6 months of internship. Conf- Confirmation of offer. This is what actually means with permanent job, right? So it's not only about internship or training which you will be getting through this Tech Mahindra Elevate program, but if you will be selected doing good in tech training, see, it's not like you have to do exceptionally good and out of 10 only 8 will be selected or 7 will be selected. They have selected 10, they actually want all those 10 to be as a permanent employee. But if you fail, you are not doing, you are being reckless, you are being lazy or something like these things, if you do, then surely they will not be considering for you as a permanent employee. So there, it's the competition will not be high, it will be yours game. You will do, if you will do anything wrong, then only you will be losing it. They won't be like excluding you that okay 10 students are there, I have to take only 5. These things won't be there. So here confirmation of offer actually means that after 6 months in July or August, you will be taken as a permanent employee in Tech Mahindra. Then assessment date. What will be the assessment test date? Those all aptitude and psychometric tests, what will be happening? That would be like when you will apply the, see, the date would be variable. It won't be like in like other tests we have, like TCS NQT was on a specific 4 or 6 days. Infosys test was also like on a specific 3 to 4 days, but not in this case. It all depends on which date you are applying. Suppose you applied today, then you can expect your test to be in within 10 to 15 days. But the approximate how what they have decided to conclude all the tests is between 16th November to 30th of November. So as you remember the link, we all got link a day before yesterday, like I think that's on 5th or 6th of November. So you can expect those students who apply on the first day, they will be getting very quickly on 16th to 18th of November, and those who are applying late, they'll be getting their test on around at the end of last week of November, right? Then further shortlisting and results. Similarly, when you will be done with the test, there will be surely be further shortlisting. They will be picking up some top 1,000 students for interview purpose. So that all would be done between 1st to 15th of December. And this also again depends on how early you have completed your test. If you have completed your test here on the very starting days, then you will be getting your interview here also in the starting few days. But they will cover all the interviews in between 1st December to 15th of December. So that, as I told you, that they will be also giving 1 month like self-paced, what I just told here, 1 month of self-learning also they will be there. And after then in January you will be joining there, right? For